How to recover your Jackson Hewitt account. So for this, open any of a browser that you prefer, and in the search bar you can go ahead and search for your jacksonhewitt.com. Once you are in the web page, you have to go ahead and tap on this login and sign in option. From there, go to my JH account. Then you will be redirected right here. So since you have forgotten your username or your password, you have to tap on forgot username or email. Then you have to enter either of your email address. Then once you have done that, you will be provided with a verification code or a link in your email where you have to go ahead and copy the code or tap on the link. Now once you have copied the code, you have to go ahead and paste it in the dialog box provided to you. Or you can even go ahead and enter your phone number where it will send a verification code via your phone number, and you have to paste the code in the dialog box given to you. Now once you do this process, you will be provided a chance to recreate your password, and make sure to enter a strong password and also to save it using your password manager so that you will not forget it once again. If you face any difficulty regarding the recovery of your account, you can go ahead and tap on Contact Us at the bottom of the screen, where you can chat with an agent, call the customer service line, or visit an office if a branch office is nearby you. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.